Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Unarc.dll return an error code 11 in 2025. So if you're getting dreaded the Unarc.dll return an error code 11 while installing a game or app, you don't need to worry. This tutorial will show you how you can fix it step by step in under 3 minutes. So what is the error? This error usually happens when there is a problem with your system memory, corrupted setup files, or a missing DLL in your Windows installations. So let's just go through the fixes now. First, you can just right click on the setup file. Here, let's see this one, for example. You can just right click on it and then choose run as administrator, because sometimes the permission issues can cause this error. So you can just tap on yes after this. And next, you can also just try to re-download the file or game installer. For example, this one is error. So if the installer file is damaged or incomplete, the error will pop up. So you can try downloading the file again from a trusted source. And you can also check RAM with Windows Memory Diagnostics. You can search for Windows Memory Diagnostics and run it, and choose restart now and check for problems. And if RAM is faulty, it could be causing the issue. Next, you can also restore or re-register Unarc.dll. So you can open the command prompt as admin and type in reg svr to 32 Unarc.dll. And if that doesn't work, you can copy a clean Unarc.dll file from a trusted system or download it from Microsoft site. And that's it. One of the steps will fix the error. And if that helped, drop a like below and subscribe, click on the thanks, and I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.